In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch accounts on your Facebook Messenger application. So first, you need to make sure that the Facebook Messenger application is installed on your device. If not, you can open your Play Store or App Store according to your device and then install it right away. Go ahead, open your Messenger application. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Then tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Settings in the top. And in this page, you will see the option of Switch Account. Go ahead, tap on that. And here you can choose to create a new profile, or you can log into another account from the bottom. Tap on Log into another account, and then go ahead, enter your username, your phone number or email address, and the password of your account. And then after, switch your account to a new Facebook. This is how you can log in to another account for a Facebook Messenger app. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.